Now she has the light. Keep going. Save the light. Keep going. Use it to
Where is she going?
The beast is down there.
No. No.
She knows the beast is down there. Why does she keep going towards him?
He's always
Where are you
watching you.
The beast is there. You're never safe from him.
You can feel him.
Be careful.
She needs to find Dillian.
Where is he?
She needs to find it.
Is he
She
down
lost
there?
it and she has to find it.
I can feel it. Where is it?
The torch, a light.
Can you see? Where is she? Where is she? Your eyes up. You're never going to find it.
Are you even going there?
Stop them! Take it down! Down now! He's gone! Yes, Senor! She's got her sword. Prepare your gun! Attack!
She's so weak, she's so weak. They can see you're weak.
End it.
lights burn out, she'll die. She has to. She wouldn't listen.
He was doing his best.
She never, ever listens.
Why didn't she listen to him? Trying to help her.
He was trying to save her from the darkness.
Zinbel was right.
Zinbel was trying to save her from the darkness. But she wouldn't listen.
She never choose.
And now everyone's dead because of her. It's all her fault.
All her fault. Weak. She should have known.
Sí.
Gotes para tapijero koios con boleras. Paketeko. Gotes para tapijero paketeko koios con boleras. Usedeti pasata, harutzati pasata.
Yo estoy tranquilo.
Soñi jotu ez.
Nada, cojones.
Pasarrokiko zarorraiki.
Y después lo que menos está.
Beton hau.
She should have. Why doesn't she learn? When will she learn? She doesn't understand.
Now the darkness has Dillian's soul.
And it will take it and never give it back.
She can search and search, but she will never find it.
The dragon Fafnir is so large and deadly that it would be impossible to kill him face to face. But each day, Fafnir crawls across the heath to find water. So Sigurd digs a pit in the dragon's path and lies in wait in it. When Fafnir slithers overhead, Sigurd sinks his sword into the dragon up to the hilt. Sigurd leaps from the pit, and Fafnir sees his killer. He warns Sigurd that the treasure will lead to his death, as it led to the death of all who owned it. Sigurd replies that death comes to all men, and every man will want to be wealthy until that day.
The darkness will take her like it.
And he takes the treasure.
The beast knows. The beast knows exactly where she is. She's falling for it.
She falls for their tricks every time.
Plays into his hands.